How to on Telegram notifications. So this video is for people who have not been receiving notifications from their Telegram app. So what we'll do is you have to go to your settings, go to apps, you navigate your way to Telegram, you click the notifications right here. You check if show notifications is off or on. So you can see show notifications is toggled off. What we're going to do is toggle it back on, and it will show you all this other settings you can choose, just like allow sound and vibration. You can change that. So if you don't really want the notifications to be vibrating, you can just click on deliver quietly, or if you want sounds and vibrations, you can switch it back to allow sounds and vibrations.